Greetings. Last week competition was all about kale, sending a kale recipe. And the winner, drawn out of a hat, was Kale Avocado salad. The winner of the competition was JimJamthepizzaman, Kale Avocado salad, crispy and clean. Let's see what that means. The first thing that we were told, get a hand mixing bowl, then get some kale leaf. Break them into bite-sized pieces. You have to coat the leaves them now. So you need the avocado, lemon or lime juice. Also, you know that it needs that flow. Oh yes, they also stated you need ginger, freshly grated. Sounds nice, that's what I'm saying. But if you want, you can add Himalayan. Use your hand like a processor. Squish all the ingredients together. Going to be something to savor. Let the kale marinate in the flavor. You can put it in the fridge for an hour. Let it more absorb, more power. This will give it a softer crunch. Then put it on a plate. Ready for lunch. How want me eat Wednesdays? Yes, I am.